Hello students, welcome back. Indian Army, an ocean of opportunities. If you have courage, passion to serve the nation, Indian Army will be the right destination and right platform for you. It promises you one of the most prominent positions. Now have a look at the vacancies available in Indian Army now. The first one is Technical Entry Scheme TES. Eligibility Inter MPC stream with 70% marks. Based on the marks, candidates will be shortlisted. Later, psychological test, group test and interview will be conducted. For selected candidates, 5-year training will be given. After training, engineering degree concerned will be awarded. Lieutenant rank will be conferred and you will become permanent commissioned rank officer. For applying for this post, age limit should be between 16 and 19 and years. Okay, now come to the second one, NDA National Defence Academy. Written test will be conducted for inter students. Yearly twice it is conducted. Selected candidates, training will be there. Then engineering degree will be awarded. Here also you can become permanent commissioned rank officer. Third one, Technical Soldier. Eligibility Inter MPC stream 50% marks enough. First you will have physical test, then medical test, later on written test. Okay, come to the fourth one, Soldier Nursing Assistant. This is for Inter BPC candidates, 50% marks at least, based on written test and interview. Now come to the fifth one, Clerks and Storekeeper. Enter any group, 60% is required. First you will have physical test, then written test, afterwards medical test. Age should be between 17 and 23 years. Now the last one, CDS Combined Defence Services. This is for graduates, degree with any discipline. First of all you will have written test, then afterwards interview. So after interview, training will be given and you will become lieutenant ranked officer. Okay students, all the best for you, always in your service. We meet again very soon with latest updates. Till then, take care, bye bye, Jai Hind.